Let's dive straight in. Parents swear sugar turns kids into mini rockets, but science says nope. Researchers gave some kids sugar, others fake sugar, and neither the kids nor parents knew who got what. Result? No difference. The sugar kids weren't any more wired than the rest. But when parents thought their kid had sugar, suddenly every giggle looked like a sugar rush. Kid jumps once. It's the sugar. Kid laughs. Must be the cake. Truth is, a birthday party itself is enough to make any kid hyper. Friends, games, late bedtime. Sugar-free cake wouldn't have changed a thing. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. You've probably heard that humans only use 10% of their brains. That's as accurate as saying sharks only use 10% of the ocean. Hollywood loved this myth so much they made entire movies about it. Take a pill and boom. Instant genius acrobat. Reality? Your brain's running full blast always. Scientists scan brains and see activity everywhere, even when you're asleep. It's busy keeping you alive and replaying that awkward text you sent in 2014. Your brain is 2% of your body weight but eats 20% of your energy, like a tiny heater that never turns off. If 90% was useless, evolution would have deleted it long ago. Elon Musk used Starlink to steal the election. Let's bust this. Apparently his satellites bent reality and shifted votes. Hollywood would pay millions for that script. The rumor exploded on X. People swore Starlink was secretly hooked up to voting machines. Like Elon was orbiting ballots straight from space. Reality check? Election officials and AP confirmed Starlink wasn't even connected to voting systems. Zero, nada, nothing. So no, Elon can't rig elections with his satellites, at least not yet. Subscribe for more myths busted before they orbit your brain.